Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix a vehicle that is stuck, automatic transmission, that's stuck in park and that the key is stuck in the ignition cylinder. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, you see here, this is locked. Won't move. And then if we come here to the key, it will turn, not doing anything, and that's locked in there. So let's go ahead and get that fixed. Okay, now we're going to start off checking a few things. First of all, we're going to check the battery. Sometimes if the battery is dead, that can cause that, since that's all part of the electrical. If not, we're also going to check the BTSI fuse and see if that could be the culprit. If not, we're going to move on to the solenoids, and then hopefully that'll be it. While I'm at it, I may just do a quick visual check underneath of the transmission shift leverage cable. Make sure that didn't come off. There's a little bushing in there that sometimes can break or that can get stuck, but I don't think that would also be causing the key to be locked. That sounds to me like it might be fuse or the solenoid, something more electrical. So let's go ahead and start checking all those components so we can pinpoint the problem and get it fixed. Okay, so we have our battery tester here. Got it set on 20 volts so we can test this battery. Let's go ahead and get a reading on that. Okay, so here's your battery, here's your fuse box right here. Let's go ahead and pop that off. You'll push that in right here to unlock it. Take that off, and then we can just pop this little piece here off. Alright, on the inside of the fuse box lid is a diagram showing you where all the fuses are. So if we come here on the chart, we're looking here for BTSI, which is right here, number 25. That's a 10 amp fuse. So let's go ahead and locate it here, and then we'll go ahead and find it. So let's see, number 25 is right here. This one right here is the number 25 fuse. So then if we come here, match it up. Okay, so here's the fuse for the BTSI. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Okay, let's take a look at that. And you can see there the fuse is fine. So, okay, before I move on to the solenoids, because I'd have to get to them, I'm going to try one more thing. Tested the battery, everything was good. The connections were good, but the voltage was just slightly off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to recheck these connections here. We're going to take them off, clean them, put them back on, make sure there's a really solid connection here on the battery, and see if that doesn't solve the issue before we get into the solenoids. Alright, let's go ahead and test it now, going directly into the battery terminals. Yeah, it's a lot higher. Tilt that a little bit so you can see that as I go ahead and get the reading off the battery. And you can see it's a little bit higher. Nothing much, but it's still not the full amount. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure the connections are good, and then we'll try it again. Okay, it's locked. Alright, well that's a lot better. There we go. It's acknowledging it. Let's go ahead and turn the key and give it a start. That was it. Okay, well there you have it. That was pretty lucky. All it was just the battery. So what it was, the battery had a full charge, but the connection wasn't the best. So we went ahead and cleaned that up, got a good connection on that. Everything's working great, so we didn't have to dig into the solenoids, which I was hoping I wouldn't have to, but I was prepared to if need be. So I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. As always, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.